stay with that theme and see how badly hit areas like that will be for the rest of the week. Joel, what can we expect?
Well, it is going to be pretty stormy this Monday over the eastern parts of the country. We already have some thunderstorms that are going on, especially around Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and also over parts of the northwest. We are also going to be seeing rainy weather around the Eastern Cape, thanks to this cold front that hit our shores yesterday, and it is going to cool things down quite significantly around the Eastern Cape, where we should see temperatures only picking up in the mid to upper teens. Now, we are going to be seeing just up to 30% chance of light rain this Monday over parts of the south coast and the western areas of the Eastern Cape. But as we go into the eastern half of the Eastern Cape, up to 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms is expected, and that also includes around Gauteng and western Limpopo. Then further east, scattered thunderstorms are forecast over eastern KwaZulu-Natal, much of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. We have a warning issued by the South African Weather Service for heavy rains that are going to be disruptive over the KZN coastal areas and the adjacent interior northwards into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. The rains in these areas could result in localized flooding both of informal and informal settlements, and also result in damage to roads and bridges in some areas. Now, here's a closer look at what you can expect for your part of the country. It is going to be partly cloudy to cloudy for the northeastern sections. Isolated thunderstorms for the northwest, but the storms become scattered in Gauteng, Pretoria, peaking at around 30 degrees. Heavier rains for eastern Limpopo and Mpumalanga, where Mbombela peaks at just 24 degrees, even colder as we go towards Emelo, where a high of 23 is expected. It is going to be pretty unsettled as well for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Scattered to widespread thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern sections, and we're expecting mild to warm afternoon temperatures for the province. Vryheid peaking at 23, 24 for the high in Pietermaritzburg. Rain and thunderstorms are also forecast for the eastern half of the Eastern Cape. It is going to be cool in most areas. Mthatha peaking at 18, 19 for Bisho. We are also expecting a pretty wet one along much of the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with rain and thunderstorms also expected here. Durban peaking at around 24 degrees. We are going to see rainy weather along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. It is going to be pretty breezy along much of the east coast, with most areas seeing winds exceeding 40 kilometers per hour. Big swells as well for the east coast at around 3 meters coming from the northeast. But as we get towards the evening hours, the swells around Durban should even exceed 4 meters in places. Over the southern Cape areas, we are also going to have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with light rain and drizzle around Raffrinet, Somerset East, as well as Beaufort West. It will be dry as we go towards the western parts of the Western Cape. Robertson peaking at 27. Light rain is also forecast for parts of the south coast, where temperatures are going to lie mostly in the lower 20s. Fairly big swells at 3 meters coming from the southwest. It is going to be pretty quiet for the northern Cape, mostly sunny in most parts, just a bit of cloud as we go towards the southern areas. A partly cloudy one is forecast for Cape Town, where a high of 23 is expected. Big swells as well for the west coast at around 3.5 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. Now, on Tuesday, it is going to stay cloudy with rain around KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the south and east coast, mostly sunny for the central and western interior. A dry one is forecast for Gauteng. Then on Wednesday, mostly sunny and warm to hot weather is forecast for much of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Over to you.